All right, you guys, day 47 here. Let's go ahead and dive right into the video today. It's a leadership principle that is called 1-3-1 rule. Now, there's leaders inside of organizations, and they put out fires constantly. They're solving problems all the time. And I remember speaking to someone on my leadership team, and they were constantly kind of being bombarded with problems. And I think that when you're in business, obviously, problems are a part of the process. Problems are a part of growth. They're also a sign you're alive. So they're always going to be there. And I think that it's always easy for people to be able to see problems. And I think that if you're just complaining about the problem, then it's like not really being a team player at that point. I think team players come up not only with problems, but they also come up with solutions, which is why I think the 1-3-1 rule is so important, because the first step, one, is clearly define the problem. And I like to say, give it to me in one sentence if possible, because if you don't know how to put it in one sentence and you can't explain it to a fifth grader, you probably don't understand the problem deep enough yourself. And so, one sentence, one problem, spit it out, and you go from there. Then what you want to do is you want to dive into 3 possible solutions. Now, this allows the individual who's coming up with a problem, it gets them in a framework of trying to solve the issue, and they're no longer just complaining. It's like, these are the proactive steps that I'm willing to take in order to solve this issue. And it also allows you, the individual, to take ownership of the problem. 2, it also allows them to think of the problem from multiple different angles to see how they can solve it, which is massively important. And as a leader, you might be able to come up with a couple more, and then brainstorm, but you want to come up with 3 possible solutions. And then the one at the end, 1-3-1, is pick one solution and try to see if it works. Because what often happens is if you pick 2 or 3 solutions and you try them all, you don't know which one worked. So you want to be able to just pick one solution, hammer it, see if that works, and then move on, either yay or nay, and then pick another solution if it doesn't. But so that's the 1-3-1 rule, you guys. And then we'll see you on the next one. All right, hope you enjoyed. Take care.